Welcome back to the Tool Crib. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys this neat little organizer that I found on Etsy. This is from an Etsy shop called Nomad EDC, and what it is a little keychain organizer for the Victorinox, or most of the Victorinox scale tools. So you have a slot for your tweezers, your toothpick, and the ballpoint pen out of a 91 millimeter, and they all slide into those slots and seat in there very snugly and very securely. The only thing in the regular plus scale tools that it doesn't have access for is a straight pen. I wish they could have included that in there as well. Now you could also take the scissors that you'll find in the SwissCards, and they will fit right back here in this back slot, slide in there, and then the scissors themselves become the key loop, or the loop for your keychain. And I thought that was really, really well done. Very compact for those that carry a multi-tool other than a Victorinox knife, but you do like to have those scale tools. This is a nice, efficient way to do that. Now, these come in a variety of different colors. I think he had like 8 or 9 different colors, including red, blue, yellow, green, a few others. I'm not sure of all the colors. Runs about $18 on Etsy, and it is... I think this is a really cool little kit for those that really like the scale tools, but just don't want to carry, or sometimes don't carry, their Victorinox with them and still have the ability to use them. At any rate, link will be in the description box below for those that are interested. It's a cool little tool. It's amazing what they can do with 3D printing these days. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.